We're talking about schizophrenia, which is a very serious mental disorder that makes it really hard to distinguish between what's real and what's unreal. It also makes it really hard to think logically and to behave normally in social setting. No one really, not even experts really know what causes it. It's a very serious mental illness, and genetics do play a big part. Like if your parents have it, then it makes it more likely for you to get it. And also like the environment you grew up in or live in might bring it out more. You could have it, but it could not like come out. It makes it really hard with people that have this mental disorder because there's a really big social stigma with it, because a lot of people don't know about it, so they think that it's portrayed as like a disorder that can't be treated, and that's not true. So it's all about education. So we're here to educate you.
Today we're going to start off with some paranoid schizophrenic muffins. You want to start with a mixture of tense feelings, restlessness, and lost concentration. To that you're going to add 2 tablespoons of anxiety, and 3/4 cup of argumentativeness. Want to mix it up real good, being careful not to overwork it, because paranoid schizophrenics have anxiety and can get very tough when overworked. To that we're going to add 2 delusions, and then 1 cup of anger. Remember, don't overmix. Now we're going to cook up some catatonic schizophrenic biscotti. Catatonic schizophrenic biscotti can include a wide range of ingredients, but today we're going to use decreased sensitivity to pain and stupor. So, add the decreased sensitivity to pain, about 1 cup to the liquid ingredients. And then about a tablespoon of stupor. If you don't have stupor, you can get a tablespoon of unconsciousness, and that will be just fine. Mix it up nice and good. And there you go. When you agitate all the symptoms of catatonic schizophrenia, notice how rigid the muscles become. Very tough. This kind of schizophrenic snack also includes a 1/4 cup of anger. Or so. Might be a good idea to put flour on your hands before doing this, otherwise your hands will get really sticky and you'll get chocolate and dough everywhere and not much biscotti. So enjoy it.
Okay, so right now we're going to talk about disorganized schizophrenia and the aftermath, which is residual. We're going to do it in the form of omelets as our example. Right now I'm going to saute up the vegetables. We're going to start with hallucinations. And now we're going to add the childlike behavior. Let that cook up nice and good. Then the social withdrawal. Let that cook. And incoherence. Some of these symptoms are also in the residual omelet as well. Another big part of disorganized schizophrenia are the delusions, and that's going to hold it all together. Pretty much. Going to go ahead and have that set. Then all the rest of the symptoms go right in with that. Hallucinations, childlike behavior. And this is something called the folding effect, the flattening effect. And what happens in the flattening effect is loss of any emotion and basically talking in like a monotone voice and not really having a drive. It's pretty much other symptoms of schizophrenia. And let me see, this is a really big omelet. I'm going to have to flip it again. Some of these, now we're going to go over all the different types of schizophrenia we made. This one's a disorganized schizophrenia, and don't forget it comes with a little bit of uncontrollable laughter. Inappropriate and uncontrollable laughter. This one here is the
Undifferentiated.
schizophrenia.
Man, that looks good.
And it comes all different types of schizophrenia, like probably the worst kind you can get, actually. And this one here is the residual schizophrenia. You can see that it's like folded over and it's hiding a lot of the symptoms because it's after treatment and after a lot of, there's still symptoms there. Here they are, but they're hidden by,
Let's see that.
here are the symptoms here, hallucinations, delusions, but it's hidden. And with the information we provided, we hope that you now think about schizophrenia with kind of an open eye and take away the social stigma that comes with it.
I'm Danielle Cuschnir.
And I'm Jackie Kakos,
And we approve this message.
Okay, we're just gonna now go over, don't forget, it can come with a little bit of, don't forget, this one comes with a little bit of, to think logically.